All right, so some of you may know what ringless voicemails are. Ringless voicemails are exactly what they sound like. If you want to drop a voice recording on your customer's inbox in their phone, it makes them feel like you called without you having to do it. So you can automate a lot of the most common things that you might want to communicate to your customers. We use ringless voicemail in two areas, and the focus for this today is going to be on milestone updates. So which of your milestones would create questions for your customers? Use ringless voicemail or more detailed versions of the email templates to get in front of those questions so that you don't have to take phone calls or respond to emails. As we know, phone calls and emails are other people's agenda for your time. You can't plan them, you have to react. So pre-approving is all about preparing for the inevitable. Your clients are going to have questions about, for example, what happens when you order the appraisal. So I'm going to show you right now how to create a ringless voicemail for a loan status. And the example I'm going to use here is appraisal ordered. Creating the voicemail happens down here. Click on your little picture, or if this menu is expanded, click voicemail library. Create a new recording, and then you can upload it or you can use your phone. Now, my highest recommendation is to upload a voicemail that you recorded on your computer. The quality is going to be better. You can script it out a little. It's just a better experience, and I think the result you're going to be happier with. So I'm going to open up my recorder here. So this is just Microsoft Voice Recorder. You can just literally search it, voice recorder, in your search bar, pull it up, and I'm going to record a voicemail that's designed to prepare my customers for the next steps after I order an appraisal. Hey guys, this is Michael with your loan officer. I forgot who I was for a second. I just want to let you know today we ordered your appraisal. That means that I sent the request into the appraisal management company. They're going to assign an appraiser. That appraiser will get in touch with the listing agent and schedule the inspection. It might take 5 to 7 days for that to happen, and then a few more days to get the report back. I will make sure that once I do, I will get you a copy of that. I will review the details of it and figure out if there's anything in there of concern. There's nothing for you to do at this point, but just sit back and relax until we get that report back. If you have any questions at all, of course, get in touch with me. Take care. Now, you notice a few things. I never said the customer's name. I was never specific about the transaction. A recording like that, you're probably better than I am. I'm a bit out of practice. But a recording like that would set the proper expectations for your clients. So I've got this here. I'm going to open the file location here. See, it's set in my recordings area. Let's actually put it somewhere where I can find it. Put in my downloads. And this is recording 3. Okay, now my recording 3 is in here. I might label this. Oops. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to upload the recording. Okay, boom. Grab the recording, click upload, and keep in mind it needs to be in MP3 format. Okay, that was an MU4 format or something, so I didn't set that up correctly. Just make sure you're recording it in that format. Okay. Then what you will do is you will go in your milestones settings. I'm going to go to my company level, and then I'm going to go to my loan templates and my milestones. This is where you can customize what happens as a result of you triggering one of these updates. The appraiser receives the one we just built. I'm going to click the pencil icon, and I'm going to change this from custom to, from classic to custom. Then I'm going to add a notification. I'm going to select voicemail. I'm going to select from my library, and I'm going to grab the recording from inside my library wherever I put it. Now, I use the wrong file format. You should not do that. You should do it better than I do it. But that is how you connect it, okay? You can also customize, or you can call directly from here if you want, and it will ring your phone. You can leave the message and it will attach it to that milestone. So pretty simple process for adding a ringless voicemail to your conditions list. Now keep in mind, and there's another video about this, you can also customize your emails and your texts for the same thing. Take care.